We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're taking a look at this HP Officejet 3833 printer. We're going to show you how to replace your ink cartridges. So in case you're getting a low ink or replace ink warning, we're going to show you how to get that taken care of. It's a very simple process. First thing you want to do is make sure you know which ink cartridge needs to be replaced. Is it your black cartridge? Is it your color cartridge? Or is it both? If you're not sure and you can't remember, an easy way to check is here at the bottom of the screen. There's going to be a little symbol that looks like a water droplet. You're just going to go and click on that, and that'll show you a visual representation of how much ink you have in each one of your ink cartridges. And so once you know for sure which ink cartridge needs to be replaced, then we can go ahead and get started. First thing we want to do is we're going to need to lower this front cover. There's a little finger notch on either side of the printer. You're just going to put your fingers on them and lower this front cover. Once you have that done, if you stick your hand right under here, there's going to be a little handle. You're going to put your fingers on the little door and lower that down. And then give the printer a second so it can move the print head into position where we can actually access those ink cartridges. When you look inside of here, your color ink is going to be on the left. It's going to be the purple one. On the right is going to be your black ink. So in this case, it's our color that needs to be replaced. So we're just going to reach in. We're going to find the purple one on the left. We're going to push straight down, pull it out, and it removes very, very simply. So it's going to be sitting in the printer like that. You're going to put your fingers on the back here and just kind of push this back side down, and it'll release from the print head, and you're able to slide it right out of the printer. Very, very simple. To install it, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to set it back at an angle and then push it back up into position. So we're going to slide it back in and click it until it locks into position. And then once you have that done, you're going to repeat that process for the one ink cartridge or both if they both need to be replaced. Once you have whichever ink cartridge need to be replaced done, then we go and raise the front cover until it's in its locked position. Raise this front door until it's in its locked position. And then now you're going to want to give the printer a second to initialize and prepare this ink cartridges for use. Once it comes back to its normal ready state, then you'll be good to go and back up and printing. If you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help answer this for you. Also, if there's any way we can help supply with any of your printer or office supply needs, please feel free to reach out to Onyx. We'd love to help provide this for you as well. We hope you have a great day and you're back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.